Approach S60 How to Use. By using Approach S60, an advanced golf GPS watch will let you master all relevant information on the course or after the match. Before heading to the course, connect the watch with Garmin Express to check out any courses updates available. You may disable some features that generate the battery life, such as backlight, gesture, or brightness. When you are about to start an activity, press Start button to enter activities and choose a course. Check tip score. Select T to begin the match. Approach S60 has many convenient features like Play Like, Pinpoint, Touch Targeting, Lay Up Dog Leg Distance feature helps you to view distance from the current location of the ball to the dog leg. Set up course handicap from Garmin Golf app settings. You may press Start button and enter info icon during the activity to check steps, distance, and time. You may enable smart notifications that allow you to receive messages from phone during the activity. If you want to rest during the activity, press Start button, select End, select Pause, or select End to end the round. Check out more videos in this series to learn more about Approach S60. Thanks for watching.